How do you parse JSON and XL from external APIs? Imagine you're trying to connect your backend system to an outside service to get data. The data usually comes in formats like JSON or XL. Knowing how to turn that raw data into something your code can work with is key. Let's walk through how this process actually happens. First, you send an HTTP request to the API's endpoint. This could be a GET request to fetch data or a POST to send data. The API responds with data in either JSON or XL format. This response is just a string of text, so you need to handle it properly. For JSON, it's a lightweight, text-based format that's easy to work with. Most programming languages have built-in functions to parse JSON. For example, in JavaScript, you use JSON parse to turn the JSON string into an object. In Python, you use JSON loads. Once parsed, you can access data properties directly, like username or order total. This makes working with JSON straightforward and quick. XL is a bit more complex. It uses nested tags to organize data, which can be more verbose. To parse XL, you need an XL parser library. In JavaScript, you might use XL service parse to turn the XL string into a document object. In Python, libraries like XML, tree, element tree, or LXML are popular choices. These tools let you navigate through the XL tree, access specific elements, attributes, and text content easily. This process helps you extract exactly what you need from the XL data. Handling the response correctly is important. Always check the content type header sent by the API. If it says application JSON, you know it's JSON. If it says application XL or text XL, it's XL. This helps you decide which parser to use. Also, be prepared to handle errors gracefully. Sometimes data can be malformed or the network might fail, so catching exceptions is a good idea. When working with JSON, parsing is usually faster and simpler. XL parsing can take more time and effort but is necessary for certain APIs. After parsing, you often convert the data into objects or classes in your language. This makes it easier to work with, especially when you need to process or store the data. A typical workflow starts with sending the request, receiving the raw text response, checking the format, then parsing with the right tool. Once parsed, you can access the data and use it in your backend logic, like saving to a database or applying business rules. By mastering these steps, you can efficiently connect your backend to external services, making your applications more powerful and data-driven. Parsing JSON and XL properly ensures your data flows smoothly and your system remains reliable.